In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to create a thumbnail using Canva with your mobile phone. So all you need to do is to download Canva on your mobile phone. You can use your Play Store or Apple Store to download this app named Canva. So if you download it, then you now create your thumbnail. Okay, so if you come right here, you can search for what you are looking for. You can just type thumbnail. Okay, you can just type thumbnail. You see it will even pop up YouTube thumbnail, and you are going to see different thumbnail that you can use. One thing you should note is that anyone that you see pro on it, that means is a paid version. You must subscribe to Canva before you use it. But anyone that doesn't, that means you can make use of it. So you can choose anyone based on what you want to create. But I also want to show you how you can get thumbnail idea for your video, because on YouTube it has made it easy that almost anything you want to talk about, there is someone that has already made video about it. So let's say I want to make a thumbnail on a video on how to lose belly fat. Okay, like this video now, I made samosa by myself today, so that's why you see this one is showing. So I tried samosa. So let me just click on this, how to make samosa. So like this, how to make samosa. As you can see, all this one you are seeing from the top is the thumbnail, a picture that will show to attract someone to want to click. That is what thumbnail is for. So when it is time for us to upload, learn how to upload and do SEO for our video, we are going to learn that. Okay, so here to do thumbnail, you can choose any of it. So let me just go for this one. Let's assume this is the thumbnail I want to use for my YouTube video. So all I need to do is, this is somebody else's picture, so if I want to put my own picture right here, all I need to do, I will just come down and then scroll. I will now click on upload. Then these are the pictures that I've already uploaded. You can also upload another one if you want to. You now click on this upload file. You now click from device. You now click on your photo library, and then you select a picture that you want to use. So let me pick one of my daughter's picture again, because I always have issues with having pictures on my phone. I used to have a lot of videos but not picture. So as I click, it's uploading right here. So but any picture you have already uploaded on Canva, it will remain there as long as Canva is still a website that is active. So I will click on it. So you see it right here. If I want it to be in a cycle like this, all I do is I will drag and put it in here, so it will be here. Even here you can still adjust it if you want to. Okay, so that it can fit. So okay, so that is how to do it. So all you need to do, you can drag and drop. You can click right here and change. Let me say how to make samosa. I can decide that as I do this I want to change it. So I'll just click the right up. If I click here, I will duplicate it so that I will make it different color. All right, I can say make. All right, and I'll still duplicate this one. All right, I'll now say what? Samosa, right? Samosa. Okay, so all I will do right now is I can just click this I can leave it at white. So if I want to change this make, if I click on it, I'll just come right here and select the color, change the color. I can decide that I want the color to be red. Okay, and all that. So anything you want, you can just click on it and drag. Okay, so if I don't want this subscribe here, I can remove it. If I don't want this right up, I can just click and delete it. Okay, if I want this subscribe, I can leave it here. I can just drag it. If I don't want this logo, I can just click on it and then delete it. This one too, I can delete it. Okay, if I want to add elements, all I'll do is I'll come right here and click on elements. Okay, I can search right here. If I want something like this or anything or subscribe, whatsoever I want to do, I can search for it and then look for the word, whatever element I want. Okay, let me say that I want a square now. I can just search for square right here. Here is it. So you see this one now as element. So I can drag this and put it here and then adjust it. So let's assume that this element now, let me adjust it and duplicate. Okay, so you see that maybe if I want to add this element here now, it will cover the right up here. So how do? I'll just click on it. Okay, I'll scroll down here and look for position. So I will click on position. So I will say background, let this right element go to the back. I will click on backward and you see that the element will go to the back. So yeah, that is how to do that. So you can actually adjust so many things. You can add what you want to add. If I want this element, let's say if I want this element to be transparent, you can still scroll. Okay, you can just make sure you highlight it first. You scroll, you will now see transparency right here. So you click on it to adjust it and you see that it will be more transparent. So there's a lot you can do with this. So that's how to create thumbnail with your mobile phone. So once I'm done, I'll just click on this right here to export it. Okay, I'll now click on download and then I'll click on download again and it will be downloaded. Okay, so this video is inspired by our 30 days YouTube growth challenge. Okay, let me just give them 5 stars. They have tried for me in this life. YouTube growth challenge. So where we have learned a lot from how to create YouTube channel, how to edit YouTube videos and all that. The link to join the challenge will be in the description of this video and the comment section. Thank you so much. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet and cryptocurrency. So hope to see you in my next video. Bye.